Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can share Wi-Fi network by sharing a QR code in your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, here you need to make sure that you are connected to a internet, and after you've done that, here you need to open your passwords application on your phone. Just like this. Here you can see this is my password application, and then from here you can get the option of Wi-Fi. Simply tap on Wi-Fi. And here you can see these are all of the Wi-Fi connection that you had previously connected on your phone. So from here, you'll have to now tap on the Wi-Fi that you want to share the QR code of. For example, I'm going to share this QR code that I am currently connected to. So I'm going to tap on it. And then in here, you can see the option of show network QR code. Tap on it. And here you can see this is the QR code of your Wi-Fi network. So you can simply screenshot it in order to share it, or you can simply scan this QR with another phone and connect to the internet. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.